Fascinating carnivorous plants. Nature's meat-eating marvels. Plants that are capable of capturing and digesting insects or other small organisms are known as carnivorous or insectivorous plants. These plants have evolved this unique adaptation as a response to their nutrient-poor environments, such as bogs or other acidic and nutrient-deficient soils. By consuming small animals, they supplement their diet with essential nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, which are often scarce in their habitat. Welcome to our nature-filled adventure. Today, we embark on a journey into the captivating world of carnivorous plants, nature's very own meat-eating marvels. Join us as we unveil the secrets behind their cunning traps and the fascinating process of capturing and digesting prey. From the infamous Venus flytrap to the elegant pitcher plants, each species has its unique way of securing its next meal. So, grab your magnifying glass, and let's explore the mesmerizing realm of meat-eating flora. One, Venus flytrap, Dionea mashipula. The Venus flytrap is perhaps the most famous carnivorous plant. It has specialized leaves with modified lobes that snap shut rapidly when triggered by the movement of prey. Once the trap is closed, the plant secretes digestive enzymes to break down the captured insect and absorb its nutrients. 2. Pitcher plants, Sarracenia, Nepenthes, and others. Pitcher plants have tube-shaped structures filled with digestive enzymes and liquid. Insects are lured into these pitchers by nectar or attractive colors on the plant's modified leaves. Once inside, the slippery walls and downward-pointing hairs prevent the prey from escaping, and the plant begins the digestion process. Three, Sundews, Drosera. Sundews have sticky, glandular tentacles on their leaves that secrete a sugary substance to attract insects. When an insect lands on the leaf and gets stuck in the mucilage, the tentacles move to entrap it further. Digestive enzymes are then secreted to break down the insect, and the plant absorbs the nutrients. Four, Bladderworts, Utricularia. These aquatic or semi-aquatic plants possess small, bladder-like structures with trapdoors. When triggered by small aquatic organisms, the trapdoors open, creating a sudden vacuum that sucks the prey inside. The bladderwort then digests the captured organisms. 5. Waterwheel plant, Aldrovanda vesiculosa. This free-floating aquatic carnivorous plant uses modified leaves with tiny traps armed with cilia. When prey touches the trigger hairs, the trap snaps shut, trapping and digesting the small organism. It's important to note that carnivorous plants are not harmful to humans or large animals. They primarily prey on small insects, spiders, and other invertebrates. These fascinating plants are a testament to the diversity and adaptability of life on Earth, showcasing the numerous ways organisms have evolved to thrive in challenging environments. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of carnivorous plants. Nature never ceases to amaze us with its ingenuity, and these meat-eating marvels are a testament to that. If you enjoyed this adventure as much as we did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more exciting nature content. Have you encountered any carnivorous plants in the wild? We'd love to hear your stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world. Remember, there's always something new to discover out there.